Are you looking for a simple way to make money online from the comfort of your home? What if I told you that you could start earning cash by just sharing your opinion on websites and apps? Sounds easy, right? Well, it's totally possible with a new website I am about to share with you. It is a secret website and a lot of people are gatekeeping this information, but I am about to share it with you for free today. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started, so let's dive right in. Hello beautiful people, welcome back. This is Kemi of Sefazu. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. Let's go. UserCrowd. Earn money giving your feedback. You participate in quick surveys, tests or interviews. Give feedback on designs, test prototypes and more. Now they have a lot of big brands they've actually worked with, reviewing where they pay you to review these big brands. They have Asana, they have Eneco, they have Google itself. So this is not a small business, or it is not a small brand to actually work with. They have HelloFresh, they have Hilton, they have L'Oreal, they have a lot. This is Miro. They've worked with a lot of big brands, and we have people like you that have actually reviewed these big brands to tell them that the website is fine or the website is not. They have Monday.com, they have Smartsheet, they have Storyblock. In fact, they have IPG as well. They have Trip.com, and they have a lot. Even Unilever has been on their website. They have WinApp, they have Zendex, they have GoDaddy. GoDaddy is also on their website. You review on GoDaddy. They have Xsub, they have Airtable. This is how it works. You apply, and these are the benefits of you applying on their website. These are the benefit. These are the particular amount of money that people actually make on a daily basis on their website. They have their payment balance, they have their transaction, everything is recorded. The first thing you need to know that it is fast and easy to take part in. The surveys are not technical, they are not difficult. And also you need to understand that you are helping to shape brands, you are helping to shape leading brands. Like Monday.com is a virtual assistant website. So if you're actually reviewing that website for them or trying to drop your feedback on that website, you will actually understand that maybe as a virtual assistant you let them know that, oh, this website responds quickly to instructions, no, it is slow, it is not efficient and all of that. And you can earn money at your spare time. There is no significant amount of money you cannot earn on this website. There is no limitation to what you can do on this website. You do not need any experience. You don't need an experience to actually sign up on this website. You don't need a capital to sign up on this website. You don't need investment to sign up on this website. You don't need a certification or a degree to actually sign up on this website. It is a user interface website where you just come, and these are the frequently asked questions on the website. How much do I get paid? You can just come on the website to know how much you get paid. How long do studies take? How do I need to get started? Can I take part in research on my mobile? What do the tests look like? How do I take part in interviews? How often will I get contacted to take part? How do I apply? Do I have to pay for application? Now, I'll be talking about a few of them in this video. This video to be too elongated. Do well to state your questions in the comment section. Let me know what questions you have so that I can just answer them in the comment section for you. Here is how you can sign up on this particular website. The step one is simply simple. Sign up on usercrowd.com. Just click on your Chrome browser and type in usercrowd.com. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme, not at all. And this is not a scam zone where they will tell you to make $5,000 in just a single day. This one is where you get to work. You get to input your skills and get to drop reviews about what you think about different websites, and then you get paid. The payment accumulates. That is one beautiful thing about this particular website. Well, that's not all. UserCrowd also offers, these are longer one-on-one sections where you give your opinion in more details. Now, these interviews are interviews that you do like one-on-one, where you do a video call one-on-one and you give your opinion about a particular interview. Now, if you're the type that apply for remote jobs, you probably have seen this kind of tests where after doing an interview for a review, ask you to drop a review or send a review in form of a Gmail, a message to the reviewing app or to the app that you used for the video call. For interviews, you can earn up to $0.75 per minute or even more, depending on how long the section lasts. So this is another way for you to make money. You can earn more money depending on how long the session actually lasts. When 30 minutes in a particular interview, you'll be earning more than $22 for just one interview. and I'm sure that is super amazing. Now the next, when you have earned up to $10 at least, you can request payout via PayPal. Now this particular website will pay you via PayPal, and the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can try getting a PayPal account from a friend or relative who stays in a country with a PayPal account. Payments are quick, usually within 7 days. All you need is a PayPal account to receive your money. Now there are no hidden fees. You don't have to pay any investment fee, you don't have to pay any capital, you don't have to pay anything to sign up on this website, and the application is not complicated at all. It is as simple as it looks. So aside from the payment method, don't just take my word for it. Here is what some users actually has to say. Now here is what user one said: I really enjoy UserCrowd and find it a productive part of my daily routine. That's super amazing. The second person also said, I enjoy doing the tests. They are fun to do, and I like sharing my experiences with the designer. So you can do tests on website, how you feel about how this website looks, the brand of the website, the name, the placement of product on the website, the user interface, what you feel about it. These are samples of the tests you will actually be doing on UserCrowd. Now the third person said, the website is awesome and I'm grateful for the good rates you offer per minute. So compared to other websites, UserCrowd actually has competitive rates when it comes to what they offer on their platform, because it is hard to see this kind of rate except on website like maybe rev.com. You can see rates like this. Now the next thing is to ensure that you take the most out of the website when you are signing up as a Nigerian or as an African. Now the first thing is to complete your profile. Fill out all the details necessary to complete your profile to receive test information, and ensure that you put a working Gmail or a working email for them to send you tests, because most of the times whenever you are not online, they send your offer or your test to your Gmail. Now the next thing is to ensure to stay active. Make sure you're checking their platform regularly, and make sure you're checking your emails regularly for opportunities. The third one is to be prompt. Now when they send you an email, you 30 minutes without responding to it, you don't stay an hour, you don't stay a day or two without responding to it, because there are a lot of people on this platform. So when you don't respond, people on this platform will pick the offers up and respond, and when they have their minimum or their maximum requirements for the response, they will just take off the survey and pay those that are prompt in response to the survey. Now this is actually sending a bad signal. Whenever they send you a survey and you feel reluctant or you don't take the surveys, it sends them a bad signal. So in no time, since they are a serious business entity, actually don't even send you offers at all. Now UserCrowd offers a convenient way to earn money online by sharing your opinion with minimal time investment and straightforward tax. It is an excellent option for anyone looking to supplement their income. Now it is not a full-time income, it is just like a side hustle for anybody looking to supplement their income. If you are ready to start earning using this particular platform, you can sign up on usercrowd.com and begin providing valuable feedback on top brands and getting paid. That's it on UserCrowd. It is a great way to start making money online from Nigeria or Africa. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra income or turn it into a side hustles, that is where you will sign up and start making money. So if this video has helped you this far, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more ways to make money online. Drop a comment if you have any question and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you guys.